We will use this setup to verify the algebraic and the graphical methods of adding two forces. With two spring balances, pull the rubber band to the center of the protractor. Make sure the rubber band lies precisely on the 0 degrees line of the protractor. Record the angles A and B and the readings of the spring balances F1 and F2. These two readings of the spring balances give the pulling forces. Use algebraic and graphical methods to find the resultant of the two pulling forces. Repeat by pulling the rubber band using different forces in different directions. Compare the resultant forces of the two trials